Hello students, we are going to discuss about Hess law problems. Calculate the standard heat of formation of N-propanol liquid using the following data. Standard heat of formation of carbon dioxide in gaseous form minus 393.51 kilojoule per mole. Standard heat of formation of water in liquid form minus 285.83 kilojoule per mole. Standard heat of combustion of N-propanol liquid is equal to minus 2028.19 kilojoule per mole. Are you clear? Okay. Objective of this problem: calculate the standard heat of formation of N-propanol liquid using the following data. Are you clear? Okay. How will you identify this problem is a Hess law problem? In problem itself, standard heat of formation and standard heat of combustion values are given. Then it is a Hess law problem. Are you clear? Okay. Students, keep in your mind, you should know the given component chemical formula. Then only you can able to solve the problem. Are you clear? Okay. First, you should write basis of this problem. 1 mole of N-propanol liquid. So, how will you take 1 mole of N-propanol liquid? All these data are given in your problem kilojoule per mole. So, that's why you should take 1 mole of N-propanol liquid. Are you clear? Okay. Procedure for solving Hess law problem. Step 1. Based on given data, you should write the stoichiometric chemical reaction. So what are the data are given? First one, standard heat of formation of carbon dioxide. Based on the given data, we should write the stoichiometric chemical reaction. C plus O2 gives CO2. So this is formation reaction. Carbon in the state of solid, oxygen in the state of gas, carbon dioxide in the state of gas. Formation value delta H1 is equal to minus 393.51 kilojoule per mole. This is given data. Refer the problem. Second one, based on given data, you should write the stoichiometric chemical reaction. What is the second data? Water formation value. H2 plus half O2 gives H2O. H2 in a state of aggregation of gas, whereas oxygen in gaseous form, water in liquid form. So, standard heat of formation of water in given problem, delta H2 is equal to minus 285.83 kilojoule per mole. Are you clear or not? Okay. So, third data are given, standard heat of combustion of N-propanol liquid. So, the combustion reaction based on the given data, C3H7OH, this is N-propanol chemical formula. This is react with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. Stoichiometric reaction means correctly balance the reaction. C3H7OH plus 4.5 O2 gives 3CO2 plus 4H2O. So, the N-propanol state of aggregation is liquid, oxygen in gaseous form, whereas carbon dioxide gaseous form and water in a liquid form. Standard heat of combustion is given data minus 2028.19 kilojoule per mole. Are you clear or not? Okay. So, this is the step number 1. Step number 2, refer the combustion reaction. Which one is the combustion reaction here? Third reaction. So, refer the combustion reaction. Identify the number of moles of combustion product are formed. What are the combustion product here? Carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide number of moles 3, water number of moles 4. Are you clear or not? Okay. So, step number 2, refer the combustion reaction. Identify the number of moles of combustion products are formed as per the reaction. So, 3 moles of carbon dioxide, 4 moles of water. Are you clear or not? Okay. Step number 3, based on number of moles of combustion product formed in combustion reaction, we should multiply equation 1 by 3 and multiply equation 2 by 4. Then add these two equations and we have to subtract the rest of the reaction in given problem. Then we will get standard heat of reaction and its value. Are you clear or not? Okay. So step number 3, based on number of moles of combustion products formed in combustion reaction. So we should multiply equation 1 by 3. Why? So the carbon dioxide formation reaction is the number 1. That is reaction number 1. Reaction number 1 multiply by 3. So whereas water formation reaction number 2. Reaction number 2 multiply by 4. Are you clear or not? Okay. Add these two equations minus with rest of the reaction given in our problem. Keep in your mind. Are you clear or not? Okay. So what about the rest of the reaction? That is third reaction. Add the reaction 1 and 2 minus with third reaction. So this is the step number 3. Are you clear or not? Okay. First we are going to calculate standard heat of formation of N-propanol liquid. How will we calculate standard heat of formation of N-propanol liquid? Based on number of moles of combustion product formed in combustion reaction, we should multiply equation 1 by 3. That is 3 into delta H1. And multiply equation 2 by 4. 4 into delta H2. Then add these two equations. 3 into delta H1 plus 4 into delta H2. And we have to subtract the rest of the reaction in given problem. That is minus delta H naught C. Are you clear or not? Okay. So as per the procedure, delta H naught F C3H7OH is equal to 3 into delta H1 plus 4 into delta H2 minus delta H naught C. Are you clear or not? Okay. So delta H1, delta H2, delta H naught C. So our given in our problem. You should take that value, substitute here, find out standard heat of formation of N-propanol liquid. Finally we get minus 295.66 kilojoule per mole. Next we are going to develop the expression of standard heat of formation of N-propanol liquid. How will you develop the standard heat of formation of N-propanol liquid reaction? As per the procedure, based on number of moles of combustion product formed in combustion reaction, we should multiply reaction 1 by 3. 3 into reaction number 1. And multiply reaction 2 by 4. 4 into reaction number 2. Then add these two reactions. 3 into reaction 1 plus 4 into reaction 2. And we have to subtract the rest of the reaction in given problem. So which one is the rest of the reaction in the problem? Reaction number 3 minus of reaction number 3. Then we will get standard heat of formation of N-propanol liquid reaction. That is reaction number 4. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is equation number capital A. So from capital A equation, we want 3 into reaction number 1, 4 into reaction number 2, then reaction number 3. One by one we will discuss. First one, 3 into reaction number 1. Which one is the first reaction? C plus O2 gives CO2. So this reaction multiplied by 3. 3C plus 3O2 gives 3CO2. 3CO2 comes to this side. Finally we get 3C plus 3O2 minus 3CO2 is equal to 0. This is equation number capital B. Next we want to calculate 4 into reaction number 2. Which one is the reaction number 2? H2 plus half O2 gives H2O. This reaction multiplied by 4. Finally we get 4H2 plus 4 by 2 O2 gives 4H2O. This 4H2 comes to this side. So the final expression 4H2, 4 by 2, that is equal to 2O2. Are you clear or not? Okay. So 4H2 comes to this side, minus 4H2 equal to 0. This is C expression. Are you clear or not? Okay. So next we want to calculate reaction number 3. We have reaction number 3. Directly we should take that reaction. C3H7OH plus 4.5 O2 gives 3CO2 plus 4H2. 3CO2, 4H2 comes to this side. So plus are converted into minus 3CO2 minus 4H2 equal to 0. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is equation number D. So substitute equation B, C, D in capital A. Substitute all these expression. Finally we get 3C plus 3O2 minus 3CO2 plus 4H2 plus 2O2 minus 4H2 minus C3H7OH minus 4.5 O2 plus 3CO2 plus 4H2O equal to 0. So which one is a cancel here? Minus 3CO2 plus 3CO2s are cancelled. Minus 4H2O plus 4H2Os are cancelled. Next we are going to concentrate oxygen value. Oxygen 3O2 plus 2O2 minus 4.5 O2. Finally we get plus 1 by 2 O2. Are you clear or not? Okay, that is 0.5 O2. So the final expression 3C plus 4H2 plus half O2 minus C3H7OH is equal to 0. In reaction form 3C plus 4H2 plus half O2 gives C3H7OH. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this negative value comes to this side, positive value gives C3H7OH. So what about the standard heat of formation of N-propanol liquid value? Already we have referred the previous slide. This is calculated value minus 295.66 kilojoule per mole. Are you clear or not? Okay. Thank you for your attention.